back to the channel. First things first, I want to say, if you can't tell, it's like snowing behind me, but it's not super bad. It's just kind of, I don't know, it's just okay. So I figured I'm going to just go ahead and install this mod today because, well, we're in the winter time, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. And yeah, I'm really excited. I want to install this on the Challenger, so I'm going to do that. But I will say, if you guys want, follow me on Instagram, same name as the YouTube channel, OmegaGreed. I always release stuff on there before I do it on YouTube. So if you want to know, like, you know, different mods and stuff like that I'm doing, follow me on Instagram. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I think I need to pull my car in slightly. So I'm going to move my fiance's car up and then pull my car in just ever so slightly. So let's do that first. Alright, so first things first, here goes the mod. I need to, actually, I'm going to take this out the box first. Okay, so this is the Phantom, I believe it's called the Phantom Grill. This is from AmericanMuscle.com. And like always, I leave a link in the description of all the parts that I have, even from my Jeep, and so obviously this will be down there as well. So if you're interested in it, you can go check it out. So it looks pretty simple. It looks like it's just this with the couple little bolts. So yeah, I've been definitely wanting to do something different to the front grille of the Challenger because, I don't know, don't get me wrong, I like the way this looks. I don't really like these little guys. These clips and this I don't really like. So I think I might, I don't know if I have to remove this. Let's actually just do a mock-up. I want to see how it will look. Alright, so I just did a little mock-up. So it looks like I am going to have to take off this like plastic trimming. I believe there should be some, I'm not fully sure. I think these are just held in by clips, which is totally fine because I definitely want to take this out anyway. I don't really like the way this front grille thing looks at all. I'll keep the little RT, if you can even see that, but I don't really like the way this front end looks like this. So yeah, this is definitely a welcome a welcome exterior mod. I just don't like the way that looks. So I'm gonna take that off. I kind of like the whole blacked out look. So let me first and foremost take that off. Hopefully the camera can adjust, but yeah, let me first do that. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So after taking another quick look, it looks like this whole piece, which I didn't realize, it's like part of the actual grill. So, opened up the hood, took this part off, try to see if it'll give me access to it. I think I need to take this part off as well to get access to the grill, which is weird. But I will say it's nice that you can at least take that off. You can have access to the headlights if you needed to do anything with that. But I have to see. I don't know if I can get access. If so, I have to take off these clips, which I really don't feel like doing right now because it's freezing outside. Like I said before, it's snowing. But if I can, I will. If I cannot, I will wait until it's a warmer day out. But I definitely want to at least see if I can get to it. So yeah, I'll let you guys know in a second. Alright, so this sucks. Okay, so basically it sucks right now because it looks like I'm going to have to take off that front part just to get access to the front grille. I thought it would be a little bit easier to do this, but it's a little bit more involved, and it's just so cold outside right now. As you can see, my breath, it's just that cold. I wish I had access to like a full enclosed garage. As one of our neighbors, he has a truck, he's always driving by. But I wish I had access to like a fully enclosed garage. That would make things so much easier. But since I don't think I can do this for right now. I have the tool. Well, actually, I don't have a like a pry tool to pry off some of these bolts. I'll show you. Hey, it looks like there's one missing here. I don't have a pry tool, but I can easily get one. They're not that much money. So literally I just need to pry these off and then I'll have access to the front grille. I believe that's what you need to do. Once you do that, it looks like you can get behind here and take this off. It looks like this is just being held in from the back end. But I don't know. It's like, it looks like it's part of the actual grille the more that I'm looking at it. There's like an extra like lining piece right there. Right there. So I'm not fully sure. But I will show you guys what it would look like. I can mock it up for you. I can just hold it up side of this. But yeah, this is what it will look like. I think it'll look cool. Yeah, it just kind of sucks that I can't do it right now. Yeah, it's kind of one of the reasons why I wanted to get a Jeep, because I could do more videos on that right now when I can't do stuff on my Challenger because it's absolutely freezing outside. But it's okay. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said in my last video, I'm still on the hunt for a Jeep. I had a couple people. I was actually going to go look at a Jeep today, but someone, they kind of, I don't know, they just kind of ghosted me. So I have no idea what's going on with that. And honestly, I'm at the point where I'm like, man, if someone's like, if you're trying to sell something and someone's like, okay, cool, you know, they're asking you the right questions and you're like, yeah, cool, cool, cool. Like, why wouldn't you want to sell it? I don't understand that. So I have no idea. The person looks like they kind of ghosted me. So I have no idea. But I'm still on the hunt. If I can find one, I'll buy one. If not, then I'll wait. I'm in no rush. I can honestly wait. So honestly, if these, I have two people that I was talking to. If both of these deals kind of go through, for right now, I'm going to just wait and just hold off. And then wait until maybe a little bit, a couple more months until it gets a little bit warmer. Then we can see what else is out there. But yeah, I'm in no rush. I still have plenty of stuff I can do with the Challenger. Plenty of content I can do. It just kind of sucks that I can't really like do any of the cool stuff because it's so cold out right now. Yeah, I have snow tires on, and it's, you know, we're in the middle of the winter. But yeah, so I don't know. It looks like this video was kind of a fail just for right now, just because I couldn't get it fully installed. I will try. I'll go to the store. I'll get some pry tools. Maybe if it's a little bit warmer, a couple more days, maybe I can pull it fully inside here and close the door. Except for when I do that, it's so dark you can't really like see. But maybe I'll just do it just to install it, and then I'll show you guys the afterwards of what it looks like. But yeah. With that in mind, I'm gonna button everything back up. This is actually pretty simple. These clips, looks like this just goes. It literally just like came off super simple. I think just, yeah. So and that pretty simple. Take this guy off. And I will just place this on here for, oops, I hit the ladder. I'll put that right there for right now and just let that kind of just sit. But yeah, so the Challenger, looks like I'm going to wait to do this. I definitely want to, I don't know if this part can come off. If this can't come off, I'm going to plasti dip it black because I just don't like the way it looks when it's chrome. I would love to take this off, but I've heard if you take this off, it just breaks. But honestly, I don't really care because I don't really like this little Challenger decal. But yeah, so just like that, I'm going to end the video here. It's kind of sad because it's so cold out right now. I'm going to literally go inside the house because I'm freezing right now. Yeah, hopefully next time you get, well, okay, I will say this video was a fail, but the next one, the next install I will do should be a much more interesting video because that one is a much more, I don't know, the next video will be different. I would say that, and I'm actually more excited for this next mod. This one's going to be a fun one. Yeah, so hopefully the part should come in early next week, so like Monday, Tuesday, should install it, and then I'll have it uploaded for you guys pretty soon. Yeah, so if you want to know what it is, follow me on Instagram, like I said, OmegaGreed, and you'll see it before anyone else does on YouTube. So with that in mind, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like, check out some of the other videos that I've done, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.